Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to convert your phone's network from 3G or 4G to 5G in a very simple way, just from your phone's settings. Also, if your internet or mobile data is not working or not showing up, we will explain how to solve that problem with simple steps. All you have to do is follow these steps explained in this video. Let's move on to the explanation with the blessings of God. First, my friend, if your mobile data is not working, we will solve this problem. After that, we will convert 3G or 4G to 5G. To solve the problem of mobile data not working or not showing up, pull down your phone's notification bar, then long press the mobile data icon. Then tap on the SIM card that has the internet connection. Then tap on access point names. Then scroll down and tap on the plus sign or add new access point. In the name field, write 5G. After writing 5G, tap OK. In the APN field, write www.google.com after that. My friend, tap OK, then scroll down and tap on Save. Then choose 5G or the access point we just created. Now, my friend, go back, then tap here, and then choose 5G divided by 4G divided by 3G divided by 2G, meaning the first option. Choose it, and congratulations, we have converted the internet to 5G.